There are some group of words that we use in English like make a difference, come to an agreement, break a record, take a risk, do the right thing. These groups of words called collocations need to be used correctly in your writing. Let's take a look at a few of these. There are several collocations with the word have that are useful in academic writing. Have a dispute, have a look, have a right to, have an effect on, have an opportunity, have difficulty, have room, have success. These are a few collocations with the word have that you can use in your writing. Let's look at each of these and put them in a sentence or two to help you learn how to use them. Have a dispute. To have a dispute means you have a disagreement over something. The company had a dispute with the manufacturer. The two managers have a dispute over the proposed schedule. Now, these would both mean that they have a disagreement over some issue. Have a look. To have a look means to look at something for a little bit and check things out. The manager will have a look at the new machinery. He needs to have a look at the property before making his final decision. Have a right to. To have a right to something means that you have a legal or just claim to something or some action. The company has the right to choose their own manufacturer. In most countries, people have a right to their own privacy. Remember that you need to use the full phrase, have a right to something. Have an effect on. To have an effect on something or someone is to have a result from some cause. For example, the new product will have a positive effect on the fourth quarter sales. And here's another sentence. The floods will have an effect on the production of crops this year. Have an opportunity. To have an opportunity means to have a chance to do something. The company has the opportunity to double their sales for this year. And here's another sentence. He was looking forward to having the opportunity to travel to Europe next summer. Have difficulty. They have had difficulty reaching their sales goals in the past. Many non-English speakers have difficulty learning the language. Have room. The company will now have room for more opportunities in the future. Now, in this sentence, the phrase have room indicates that there will be more possibility of opportunities. In this next sentence, the phrase has the meaning of having space for something. They did not have room for another warehouse on the property. Have success. The company will have success in creating new markets with additional product. It appeared that they would have success in promoting the new product. Now, we often use the phrase have success in when using this collocation. All of these collocations with the word have can be used well in your writing. Try using some of them in your next writing assignment. Happy writing! Did you learn any new collocations? I hope you found the video helpful. Try memorizing some of these collocations so that you can use them in your writing correctly. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.